that's who we get everybody. Well, that's who we get to do our exhaust work.
Yeah, it's all the exhaust work we've had done so far, they've done there. But we're gonna get some clips, guys, and stuff. So 18 is no longer stock. Jared's happy about that, I'm sure. I know it was a big change for you from when you went full bolt on in the yellow one to this one being really quiet, even though this one's faster.
Right.
So we're gonna get some clips for you guys.
Overall, I'm really happy with the outcome of it. This isn't a permanent. This is just something that I just wanted it to be a little noise.
It's $100
for Mustang Week. So it was $100, $30 to put on, about $130. But in the future, it will be a full catback system. Don't know which one yet, but it will be a full system. So lost the $100 here, so worth it.
Absolutely, but if anybody's looking for just like a good sound, like Jared and I think this is how you know they should sound from the factory. Even though the 18s did step it up, you know, on the sound level, like his car sounded good when it was stock. It was very deep, but now this has just amplified it, and so you know it sounds really good. I was kind of surprised. You know, I jumped back a little bit when he first revved it at me. I was like, wow, that's it's a lot louder than I thought it would be. And so it sounds good. I'm sure it probably added 2 or 3 horsepower. Nothing that you're ever going to notice. It probably took off quite a bit of weight. I know my X-Pipe, the same X-Pipe, they only weigh like 12 pounds, and the stock resonator weighs over 40. So that's a good little chunk right there in itself. So it should make the car faster, obviously make the car sound better, but like you said, it's not permanent. You know, eventually he'll go full catback, kind of like me. But until then, I guess I'm gonna enjoy this for Mustang Week. So we're leaving out in a couple days now, so we're really excited. We'll you know tell y'all when we're leaving. If anybody wants to follow us down and stuff, we'll post on our Instagram, Down South Racing 606. And so we hope to see a lot of you guys down there. We're going to the YouTube meet Friday night.
Friday night, like 9.
Yeah, about 9 o'clock. We might try to get there a little bit early, you know, so we can get kind of set up and stuff. And we're gonna bring some shirts down, I think, ain't we? And a couple stickers. Jared's actually already got them. He's already prepared. What a man! But so we have large and medium. We're sorry if we didn't. You know, this is just kind of short notice. Something we get. I think we got about 15 shirts we can maybe hand out and stuff, and a few stickers, 10 or 15 of those. And so we hope to meet a lot of you guys down there. Got some big plans. Got a few car reviews we're going to do on some really awesome cars and stuff. But you guys will see that when we get down there. It is going to be a long drive though. So
longer for me.
Longer for you.
I gotta come from Richmond.
Oh yeah. Are you leaving Richmond that night?
No.
You're not gonna come out? Oh, that sucks for Jared. So, but guys, we're leaving out Thursday morning real early, so we should get there midday Thursday, and we will let you all know when we get there, guys. But please subscribe if you haven't already. We put out videos like this all the time doing modifications to our cars. And since he's got this 18, you know, we're gonna be trying to do some videos with it, especially on the weekends and stuff when he comes home from college. But more mods coming, I'm sure, soon. More mods coming in mine once we get back from Mustang Week. Had to save up a little bit to be able to go down there, but after that, we're going to get back to it, guys, and on the modification train. But until then, guys, peace out. We'll catch you in the next one.